Let's go, baby! Holy! Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be taking my RX7 to a car meet. So I haven't taken my car to a car meet in a while, so we'll bring you guys along. First off, we're just going to give the car a little bit of a clean, a little bit of dust off because she doesn't get groomed much, and then we'll rock up the car meet.
My love's like a black hole sun, so bright when it burns, so dark when it's done. So hard to relate to nothing's done, so I might be done. If I do confront you, don't run. Don't run from the black hole sun.
Brother, do you know how to park?
Read the sign at the back.
Alright guys, so we're at a meet right now. We're gonna go in and have a look. There's heaps of cars rolling up right now. As you can see, some 86s and this bus. So there's heaps of mad cars rolling in. What is it? Integra Type S. FL5. Got this Golf. I love Golfs. We're gonna go for a little walk and talk, and we're gonna see what's popping in the car meet. FC. We got some Mazda hatch. We got this colourful thing here. Got some Safiras, Integras, Subis. 350Z. We've got my boy Donald or Yang here. I'll put his Instagram right here. He's at the meet too. We got Ella as well. We've got a clean chaser here. Nice clean green chaser. And then we've got some more cars here. A lot of 86s. Heaps of 86s. We've got a Evo 3, I believe. I don't know, not sure. Got a S14, some Subies, got some Mustangs, got another S15, got a wide body A6 here. Where? We got this brother. What's up, G? How are you? Alright, this guy's got his hood open, so we're gonna go have a look at what's going on here. RB25. It's got a line strap race. It's got the covers. It's pretty sick. And then this is the Ligma nuts. Some E36s here. Got this old Ford, I don't know what this is. And we've got some Evos. This is an Evo 9, sorry. No, it's actually Evo 7. I saw on the thing. Evo 6 here. S15, BMW M3 wagon, that's pretty sick. Actually a fuckload of people here now, like cars everywhere. You got Integras, heaps of Hondas here, heaps of people. Heaps of people I know too. I really like this guy's plate because it says Virgin. I like that. That's me. Got some nice Beamers here. Got a big crowd around where my car is. Not really big to be honest, just a few people. But yeah, here's my car. It's real good from the back. We've got a S13 next to it and some Solvias as well. So I'm a big fan of Tokyo Drift, and we actually have that Evo 8 from Tokyo Drift here. It looks fucking sick. It's got a whole ass livery, so let's go check that out. We've got the gritty undercooler, that's fucking gangster. Wow, there's even a photo of his car. That is so tough.
In case you can't see it in real life.
That's a mean livery, I fuck with that. Bad 9. It's an Evo 9 actually. That's fucking
You thought
tough.
it was an 8?
I thought it was an 8, yeah. But the original car was from. The original car of Fast and Furious is an 8.
Oh, and let's look at this one because it's got the Panther.
That's RX7 with blue and
Panther.
black in the paint.
So
That's an expensive ass paint job, man. It's got tan interior too. That's
but look. Yeah, I like the 10. It's cool.
tan interior as well. Got an Evo 5 here. I really like Evo 5s. My mate used to have one.
You talk really loud.
It's got like a carbon wide body front. Pretty stock standard interior. He's got a Zeta heat gun. Which I need to buy one. So we got this like cammed R32 GTR over here. I don't know if you can hear the cam sounds from his exhaust, but that's fucking tough. Look at that color. And then we've also got a blackish GTR in the background here. But damn, that paint job on this car though. Got a S14 as well. That's nice, RB2MB. And we've got some more cars over here. I think this is where we have all the Beamers. Let me know what your favorite cars at this meet, guys. Personally, my favorite will be any RX7 at the meet. We've got some X5s here as well. If you don't know, I do daily MX5. We'll put some content on that on the channel sometime. We've got heaps of X5s here.
Oh. Ooh.
We've got this MB that looks fantastic with the aftermarket bumper. We've got a lot of NAs. NAs is personally my favorite. And now we're back to the boys' cars over here. Got an STI. And we've got my RX7 over there. So we've got an FK Type R here in red, but we've got an Evo 9 in yellow. That's fucking tough. It even says Evo. It's yellow Evo. That's tough. We've got a Supra over here, red Supra. It's got the engine bay popped. I wonder what's under the hood. Let's go look. Oh, she's got a huge fucking single turbo there. That's fucking clean. We've got a really stock RX7 here, red one. We've got an old ass Celica. That's fucking nice. Got some dogs. That's tidy as.
Is it Outlaw?
We've got a purple Evo here, I believe it's Evo. Bush. McDonald's actually got the aero disc in the rear. I just noticed that now. Aero disc. That's buzzy as on the SDK. Even the blue interior as well. That's pretty mint. Oh, this car's tough, eh? It's got a fucking clear hood. That's gangster. It's actually clean as. And it's all painted too. It's actually tough as. This car's got signatures all over it. And it even says sign me. That's tough. Fuck, so people are leaving now. We've got heaps of people. A few cars leaving. So we're leaving the meet now, and yeah, it was a really good meet. Heaps of cars, saw heaps of mates. Got a bit of a headache, so I'm glad we're leaving. But this car doesn't help with the headache, man. It's so fucking loud when it pulses. But we'll go for a little boost out the back, and then that's it for the vlog, I guess. Most of the cars have left already, but it's still quite a lot left, as you can see here. We've got my mate Lewis behind us in the S15.
Oh, you can't see shit.
So we left the car meet, we're just at the Chinese supermarket that's nearby. Let me know what you guys want me to try.
I'm gonna try something interesting. Let's go.
Oh, you should try this. This is the cheese one, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you should try
It's
this.
not cheese. Oh yeah, it is cheese.
It is. Try this.
Okay. Have you tried it?
Yes.
Oh, look at the snacks.
Alright, so we've got our drinks, we've got the soy milk, and we've got the orange juice. This one. We'll fucking try it, eh? That's really good, it's really refreshing, it's not sweet at all. Fuck with us.
This one's always good. Can I try? I like orange.
Do a little swap. Lush, the bro's got the fucking M3 in the back.
Ooh.
That's tough.
This is not bad. I don't like orange, but I like it.
Oh, this milk's really good.
It's pretty good.
Let's have this one. This one's good when it's cold, but
It's not cold.
we're gonna try it anyways. Tastes like Fanta.
Is it fizzy?
Yeah. But no sugar.
Oh, it's not bad.
No sugar Fanta though. Tastes
Not
kind of
bad.
bitter Fanta.
Where'd all the lids go?
Alright guys, we're gonna go get some food. We're fucking hungry.
Let's look at this color.
That's a tough Audi TT. We're a Mark III.
This is my dream Audi TT. That's cool. That color, you can't really see it on camera. It looks more red, but it's like pink. Oh, it shows up shit on camera. It looks good. Look, there's a Evo.
we've got. Some stir fry. It's got meat in it, noodles in it. And this is her sauce. It's low-key way better than mine. You can tell mine's it's kind of spicy. You can tell by sauce, but yeah, it's not as nice as her sauce. And that's good. But yeah, we're gonna eat. Hope you guys enjoyed the meat and enjoyed the vlog. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll catch you guys next time.